Okay. So let me get the manual and just see what the best way is to. See if they want us to do the remote first or the app first or how they want us to do this. Okay, raise canopy, turn power back on. So within 10 minutes of don't plug it in yet, Pete.
Yeah.
Within 10 minutes of plugging fan into power source, press and hold the Y button for 5 seconds. So that looks like okay, so let's put the batteries in the remote.
Yeah.
And then let's apply power.
Okay.
You can turn the lamp off and just hit the high switch.
High switch.
And then let's see, which button did it say? Y, the Y button. Is it drawing anything over there on the lamp meter?
No, not yet.
It should be drawing a little something.
No, just doesn't. Doesn't.
Okay, well, let's see.
High is engaged.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1000. Oh, my fault.
What?
Test rig's unplugged because I used the Dremel.
Oh yes. Okay.
Remember to pair up the leads.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, let me do it.
Stripe, I got it.
Okay.
Now I got it now with.
So
Make sure it's right.
Yep.
The stripe.
stripes and then stripe. Yep. Okay. Now it should be. Now is it drawing a little something when you hit high switch?
I haven't turned it on.
Okay, high switch. Put it in the frame
Yes.
so people can see it.
Okay.
Perfect.
There.
And I'm going to hold down Y. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1004, 1005, 1006, 8. Still nothing.
Ah.
Successful pairing will trigger beep alert. Let me make sure I put the batteries in right, because I could have put the batteries in wrong.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it on for a second. Usually springs go to the flat side.
That's what I thought I did. Okay, turn the power on again.
Okay. And there was a little current that went through
And now it went away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bypass, high.
Yeah.
There should be more than a little current. There should be. I mean, it shouldn't go away.
Right.
I'm wondering if something's not connected. Are we on solid state? No.
No.
High switch. We're plugged in, not in lamp.
Yep, I connected the plugs. Every plug is connected.
Okay, well, do me a favor. Bypass the test rig. Unplug the thing from there. And just plug it right into the. Well, plug it right into the power strip behind you.
Oh, sure. Okay, power strip.
1, 1000. Okay, so let's try it now. Did you plug the thing in up in the housing?
Oh yeah.
Was-
As far as I know, yeah.
Okay. Put it back in the test rig.
Okay. Test rig, yeah. The test rig. High switches.
Nothing. Yeah. Not okay. Let's see. Let's make sure the connections are good up in the housing.
Okay.
Because I can't see what else it would be. We're not getting nothing.
Connected there. Oh. Okay, we are connected.
Okay.
Yep, that's connected.
Still nothing. Because you did have that weird popping going on before. Let's check for a few things. So, this is from the ceiling. Get the old. Nothing. Okay. Do me a favor. Connect the black and white from the ceiling together. Short them.
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
And I'm going to test over here.
Okay, I'm going to take them off the receiver. Go for it.
They shorted?
Now they are.
Okay, let's check here. Okay, so they're measuring shorted, so it's nothing with the test ring.
Okay.
And the wire's connected at the other end of the down rod?
Yes. As far as I can tell, yes. Oh yeah, they're up in there. They were connected.
Okay. You got the fan wire? Okay, connect the fan wires back.
All right. Okay. Fan wires are getting connected back.
Okay. They connected?
Not yet.
Okay.
Now they are.
Okay.
Everything is connected.
Yeah, it drew something for a second,
Yep.
and then not anymore. So let's try. Okay. Okay, let's try pairing it to the app. Maybe it's just the remote. To pair fan with Wi-Fi, press the W button for 5 seconds. So you still need the remote. Nothing's beeping. Let's see if there's anything else in the manual. Okay, let's try adding a device through the app.
Okay.
Oops, I hit the wrong Wi-Fi password. Yeah, it's not showing up that there's any signal from the fan. So it's acting like the fan's not getting power. I will try the batteries in here the other way just in case. But that would surprise me. No. Were you able to check the connection at the bottom of the down rod without taking the fan down? Or do you gotta take the fan down for that?
I might have to.
Okay, well let's check the fan down, we'll report back.
Okay.
Okay, so we're back at it again. We couldn't figure out why it wasn't pairing, and so before we gave up, I had suggested that we take the fan down and bench test it. And we did that, and in doing that, discovered that the modular plug inside the down rod had a loose connection. Which again, I'd stated in the, I'm gonna move those so you don't step on them accidentally. I'd stated in the, when we were talking before, I didn't understand why they had a modular plug for that anyway. It seems much easier just to use wire leads as we've done for, 100 years. And it ended up being problematic because one of the pins had actually come out of the modular plug, and you couldn't see it, that it wasn't making it look like it was making a solid connection. Which is why when Pete checked it, it looked like the plug was secure, but it was not. So, yeah, if I was going to hang this fan permanently, I would cut all the modular plugs and just hardwire it.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
So, but anyhow, when we bench tested it after finding that, it powered right up, and it seemed to already be paired. Because I tried pairing it, and the pairing function didn't do anything. The fan responded to the remote. So what we will try after he gets it back up again is we will try pairing it to the app. I've said time and time again that the more modern the fan design, the more complicated it is to put together. And that has been proven true with cheap fans and expensive fans, made in America and made overseas. Just a complicated fan means a complicated looking fan means a complicated installation. Maybe I'll speed up this portion of the video since we've seen this before. I'm glad that hopefully it'll work this time and we can get to see how much air this moves. I hope it's a lot.
Yeah. Okay,